This video shows how to use the project phase filter. With the project phase filter, you can specify a date, today's date for instance, and ask the question, show me all the projects that are in a specific phase, let's say the development phase, on this date. Or specify a different date, a year ago, 6 months ago, ask the same question, or ask another question, show me all the projects that are after the development phase as of this date. The way this works is you go to the filter menu, set phase filter spec, which launches the dialog, and in the dialog you specify the phase you're interested in, the date, the as of date, and the nature of your question, in the phase, after the phase, before the phase. Naturally, you can't have both before and after, so they automatically adjust when one of them is selected. But in this case, we'll just ask, show me the projects that are in the design phase as of this specific date. Click OK. And we are now looking at the projects that are in that phase. And if we look at the name of the phase, we see that we have different life cycles here. We have one 4-phase life cycle with design as the second phase. We have a 6-phase life cycle, again with design as the second phase, but we also have a 7-phase life cycle with design as the third phase. In each of these cases, the filter has looked at the relevant period. So in the case of this 4-phase project, it has looked in the second phase and determined that that is indeed a project that is within those parameters. And similarly for the others. That concludes this video.